Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to look at how you can wirelessly debug your Android apps. So let's take a look. Okay, so here we are in Android Studio, and if you want to wirelessly debug your applications, you're going to need two things. You're going to need a plugin and an Android device that is running Android 10 or newer. Devices older than that can run it, but in my experience it doesn't work quite as well. So the first thing you want to do is go to File, Settings, and then Plugins, and then in the marketplace search for Wi-Fi ADB. Now you're going to want to skip this first search result just because it is from 2016, the one by Pedro Vicente Gomez Sanchez. That one you don't want to download. That one, it will give you an error each time you open Android Studio telling you that it only works with IntelliJ. What you want to do is download the second one by Dengzi. As you can see, it's the most recent, April 22nd of this year, 2021, and that's the one you're going to want to install. So just click install, and once that's done, just restart Android Studio and you'll take effect. The next thing you're going to want to do is on your phone. I'm assuming that you already have wireless developer options enabled and USB debugging enabled. And if you don't have developer options turned on, how you do that is you go to I'm on a Samsung, so the menus are often different for different Android brands. But if you're on a Samsung, this is where you usually go. You go to About Phone and then Software Information, and then you look for Build Number and tap that 7 times, and it will tell you you are now a developer. Once that is done, developer mode is turned on. When you go back to settings, you're going to see developer options. Inside developer options, make sure you turn on both USB debugging and wireless debugging. Okay, so now you're good to go. You're ready to start debugging your Android apps. Coming back to Android Studio, as you can see, the physical devices that are listed, we have a Samsung there. So what you want to do, instead of running your app by pressing run, first of all, come to Tools and then look for Wi-Fi ADB. Alternatively, you can click Ctrl-Alt-2 if you're on Windows. Mac users, you find the equivalent keyboard shortcut. What you want to do is first refresh. I have to refresh because I've been using this before. You refresh your device list. So here we have, and this plugin doesn't work quite well for this very reason. Here we have two devices of the same name but different IP addresses. That's because each time you close Android Studio, it saves the device list. Now if your phone disconnects and reconnects from Wi-Fi or your computer, the IP addresses obviously change if it's using DHCP. What you want to do is now click connect with the one that has the status as USB. That's usually the one, and it will pretty quickly connect. And once it's done, you'll see the status change to connected, and all you have to do is now close. So what I'm going to do now is on my phone, I'm going to unplug it from the computer, and as you can see, the phone is completely unplugged. So the phone is completely disconnected, but Android Studio still recognizes that the device is connected and we can still use it. So from then on, you're good to go. Just click run, Android Studio will build, and you will have wireless debugging working. So there it is, guys. That's how you wirelessly debug your Android apps using your phone. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it useful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Stay tuned for more videos like this on the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.